Are you tired of wasting time on social media without any real benefits? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll introduce you to a Cash App that not only connects you with your friends, but also rewards you with real money in return. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to a fun and profitable way to interact with your friends online. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make some extra cash while staying connected. Join the Cash App revolution today. But before we dive in, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our videos to unlock the doors to financial freedom. Now let's get started. Say goodbye to empty promises and hello to a reliable and rewarding Cash App experience. GiveeSocial is the only Cash App that pays you real money for connecting with your friends. Imagine earning money simply by staying connected with your loved ones. With this revolutionary app, not only can you keep in touch, but you can also earn real cash just by using it. It's like getting paid for socializing. Talk about a win-win situation. No more wasting time on apps that don't value your time or effort. This app is designed to reward you for being social and staying connected. Whether it's through messaging, calling, or even playing games together, every interaction brings you closer to earning real money. Forget about complicated referral programs or hidden fees. This Cash App makes it easy for you and your friends to start earning together. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your social connections into cold, hard cash. Join the thousands of satisfied users who are already enjoying the benefits of this Cash App that actually pays. Get ready to connect, earn, and experience the true power of social networking. Now, do you like to discover the secrets to making money online? Check out the description box below for a treasure trove of amazing, tested, and effective techniques that will help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. Don't wait any longer. Take a step towards financial independence, unlocking the door to a world of exciting opportunities to make money online. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.